EGS, Eurogas Systems, located in Târgu Mureș, Romania, celebrated the opening of a new compressor assembly plant on November 14, 2012. Founded in early 2010, EGS has quickly become a premier packager of gas compressor packages in Europe. With the main offices and original manufacturing facility located in the town of Târgu Mureș, the new assembly plant is located in the industrial park just outside Târgu Mureș for better access to highways and railways for shipping large compressor packages. A red carpet champagne reception was held for over 170 people that attended the grand opening celebration of Eurogas Systems' new compressor assembly plant. Local caterers that helped with the champagne reception also prepared a banquet luncheon that was served during the course of the celebration. The food served was from the typical Romanian kitchen and also included open pit cooking of beef, another Romanian tradition during celebrations. After arrival and a tour of the second-story offices, guests of the celebration toured the manufacturing facility and had the chance to see some of the first-class packaging work already underway at the new assembly plant. Guests included customers and distributors of EGS products from around the globe, as well as employees and major vendors of the major components of Eurogas Systems' final products, which are reciprocating and screw-type compressor packages. Attendees of the event also had time for visiting and enjoying their champagne before lunch being served.
Bună ziua! Încă o zi minunată în Romania. Good afternoon and welcome to EGS. I had the urge to say almost every day since I've lived in Romania, which is since 2009, it's another beautiful day in Romania.
Roger Wachter, General Manager of EGS, gave a welcoming speech which included a brief description of EGS history, completed project list, and shared his vision of where Eurogas Systems is headed from a business perspective. Roger also congratulated the highly motivated and skillful EGS team on their efforts, accomplishments, and contributions in bringing EGS to where it is today. Guests enjoyed the great lunch that had been provided for them. The food was delicious and was enjoyed by all. Directly following lunch, the EGS ladies passed out balloons in preparation to mark the official opening of EGS's new assembly plant. The balloons were released inside the building due to the close proximity of the Târgu Mureș airport. After the balloon release, which marked the official opening of the new assembly plant, guests and EGS personnel continued visiting until their departure from the event. EGS's new 2,400 square meter or 26,000 square foot assembly plant is only half of the eventual facility that is planned for completion in 2013. EGS is today poised to be your compression source.